What's up friends, Amar here, and in today's video I'm going to reveal the 3 hidden secrets to make money online as an affiliate marketer, and this is exactly the strategy I've been using at least for the last 3 years to make some kind of serious money as an affiliate marketer. So if you are serious about your business, about your affiliate marketing business, please watch the entire video. I'll be revealing 3 secrets that allowed me to make consistently recurring income, recurring commissions as an affiliate marketer. The point of this video is to highlight the fact of having a long-term strategy to generate consistent income and growing audience, of course, and this is the secret actually to be able to quit your 9-to-5 job on the long run. So without further ado, the first secret to making money online as an affiliate marketer is the answer to the question what to do to make money online as an affiliate marketer, and that is actually promoting at least one evergreen affiliate marketing offer, product or service all the time and consistently, because consistency is very important to achieve serious results. So the first secret is to build a successful affiliate marketing business by promoting evergreen offers like tools, courses, subscription products or services, offers that you are passionate about. That's the first thing, and also you are knowledgeable about, or you will have to do some trainings to be knowledgeable about the subject. The fact of generating recurring income, you promote once and you make recurring income month after month. So this is a very important thing, to choose recurring income or recurring commission offers to promote. And from now and then, from time to time, you can of course promote other related offers to make some money here and there, and we call this cross promotion. And those of you who have been following the channel for some time, you know that I've been consistently promoting this amazing program called Leads Leap, which is a tool for affiliate marketers. It generates leads, it generates traffic, and it makes recurring commissions month after month. Also, there is this program called System.io, which is an amazing tool also for building funnels, building lists, and also selling your own digital products. It is generating recurring income month after month. I also promote some AI tools which are related to affiliate marketing, video making, and other tools that generate recurring affiliate commissions. You see, I concentrate always on recurring income. And by the way, if you are a Leads Leap user, I left a gift in the description of this video. You can just click the link and access 2 free landing pages that I'm giving away for free, and you can use them as you wish on your Leads Leap. If you are not a Leads Leap user, this is an amazing tool if you're doing affiliate marketing, and you should get your free account by clicking on the link below this video. Now let's say that you already have a recurring income offer that you want to work with to generate recurring income using affiliate marketing. So the next thing is to have targeted traffic to that offer. So traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. You have to have eyeballs looking to your offering and buying from you. So what is the second secret of making money online as an affiliate marketer? And that is generating consistently targeted traffic to your offering. So how do you do that? Well, the best thing to have is consistent traffic, recurring traffic that is coming to you, and that's by building your own traffic sources. And you do that by producing evergreen content, high quality content that people will benefit from. You know, they say content is king. You need to create consistently evergreen content and give it away for free. Some of the higher quality content you can just go ahead and sell it. And the free giveaways actually will build you what we call an email list. And an email list is a big asset in the affiliate marketing field. The money is in the list. You hear this everywhere. Your list is a very important asset. The more value you give away, the more your list grows and the more your income grows as well. And also, when you produce your own product, you are building a brand, you are building authority. By creating quality and evergreen content, you establish a strong brand identity and authority. And to do this properly, you want to leverage two things: your knowledge and also the social media networks, the big social media networks that can make your content go viral. So first of all, you need to be knowledgeable about the subject and produce high quality content, and you want to package it properly, and you want to post that content on social media networks or your own website or blog. I personally prefer YouTube and medium.com, which are huge networks where lots of people are searching for information, for solutions to their problems. And when your content is found there, it can go viral and bring you lots of traffic to your offering. This is a video that I posted like 2 days ago, and as you can see, it is bringing views, bringing clicks to my offering, and also it brings some kind of money on YouTube. This is why I like YouTube. First of all, YouTube pays you to post high quality content, and also people that coming from YouTube, people that are coming from YouTube to your offering are highly targeted and turn to customers easily. And on this channel here, at least I'm getting 100 to 120 clicks every week, and many of them turn to customers. And here is the thing about YouTube and medium.com. These sources are really huge. Billions of people are surfing these websites every day, and also the content can go viral. If you know how to leverage the algorithms, your content can go viral and bring you huge amounts of traffic. The third thing is that they pay you to post high quality content. The fourth thing is that the traffic is organic and very targeted, and also they are evergreen. You can post a video today and still benefit from it like years after. Like, I have some videos that I posted like 3 years ago and they are still bringing traffic and bringing income. And the sixth thing is that they are the best ways to build your email list, which is a very important asset in your business, because when you have a targeted email list, you have traffic on demand. Every time you want to promote something, you just hit the button and send an email to that email list and generate income. And since we are talking about traffic here, let me just add one quick thing about Leads Leap. Leads Leap, you can use it as an evergreen offer to promote and make money from, because they offer 50% recurring affiliate commissions, but also the Leads Leap platform generates targeted traffic. When you are a pro member on Leads Leap, you have 10 pro ads that you can post on the platform, and as you can see here, these are my ads. You can see the numbers here. For the last 7 days, this ad got 125 clicks, 107, 104, 153 clicks the last 7 days, etc. So you have 10 pro ads that you can post on the platform, and as you can see here, the ads of the pro members and the free members are shown here, and there are other ways to generate traffic from this platform here. And now let's move to the third hidden secret to make money online as an affiliate marketer, and it is how to earn more money. And it is very simple actually. Instead of turning around, we can just sell our higher quality content directly to our customers, and you can do that by leveraging popular marketplaces where you package well your products, your offerings, and then you post them on these popular marketplaces. Here is an example of Warrior Plus, which is a very popular platform where you can sell your own products that you produce yourself, or you buy the rights to sell. And as you can see, these are results as a seller. So I've been making some money by selling my own offerings to my prospects. So when you package your higher quality content and post it here, you can leverage something that we call affiliates, because these platforms offer you an army of affiliates that are willing to promote your product. The higher commission you offer to these affiliates, the better. Think of offering between 70% commission and 100% commission to have them generate a maximum of sales for you. This is a win-win-win situation, because for you, your products are being sold. For the affiliate, they are making commissions from those products, and for the customer, the end customer, he is getting higher quality content. And always remember that every customer that buys your products will go to your buyer's email list, and you can contact them later to give away valuable content as bonuses, or to sell them other products that you produce yourself, or any other affiliate offers. So this is exactly the strategy that I've been using for at least the last 3 years. I didn't hide anything, everything I showed you. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave comments below this video. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. It will be a great favor for me, and I will see you on my next video.